How to activate SLoan on Shopee. Here's what you have to do. Load up the Shopee website or app and click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you will click on the gear icon again in the top right corner, and then you have to go into the help center. Now from within the help center, we are going to search for SLoan, and you will click on this article, what is SLoan? It's going to tell us that it's basically financing, and you can activate it by clicking the finance button, then SLoan, and you have to press activate now. So again, finance from the home screen, SLoan, and activate it. But in order to do this, you will need to have activated and verified your Shopee Pay account to be able to cash out and use SLoan, and you can withdraw a minimum of 2,500 Filipino pesos up to a maximum of your available credit limit. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.